Jadwagi ji atam sai or hino bang miale or sang midle nana lukhamshan nekshi mangaina kathan mida ragup sang milo ji hino ming sing de sia sa dak bone no ming ji na khwing sa ching no. Amen. I would like to give time to the Argyle President for welcome and introduction, which will be followed by a special number from Chonchon SP.
Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, I won't be taking much time as we have resource persons who is going to exhort you with loads of ideas and knowledge. First of all, I would like to welcome each and every one of you who have turned up for this career counseling program. It includes introduction, right? Okay. That's my short welcome speech. Firstly, I would like to introduce our resource person, Warren Muiva. Would you please rise up from your seat? She Oja Warren he somtal way nay he katam nauli or national bingli ki fieldly chặt ngay cái chức tháp field là tầm cái chức tháp field interest lý cái vara chức tháp we diploma knowledge like tầm quê là itum li chỉ tầm mira the bom này is a very resourceful person to us. Chena itum sang lai na ana hang ting nào quick vai sa se. And secondly, I would like to introduce KS Pamriso. Would you please rise up from your seat? Oja Pamriso hi na ishi rupai we nei ahi nghui nau nei ahi Assistant Public Prosecutor cum Assistant Government Advocate sa dakhlei nei chena itum hilera jang khai wi lunglin kichik than lawyer law tam ngai sa kha ali thalain connection lai ga kha sa ba ga phar ga le je ali la mathalai na counseling ali la khumi ga wi isin na khumong shomi re. And in addition to that issue we azu hi isin na jadak sadakli hi live jat midok lego chena the Tangkul Express pashin jat midle chena the Tangkul Express pashin aming mahang lige akhi pang khang mingga ngning ka myo jo. Okay. And then issue we azu we it we partnership or thada itum we sakang room hili sound system hingran midek leji hills roster bashin sami dekla ashin la pangkhang ka myo to. And then issue we long hili avu wabing ijijaw naule muktem thangkamai or otpom kamthaling ning sagra now the mathalai na chomfu awang phari mira da rangru midek le issue we avu presi jingkhai laksing ning ka myo jo. The Nishnare Ahi Termishon Ji Avone Anang Lavuli Tan Laga Shuli Rang Rumi Degline China Hidada Anna encourage Salagena Nauli Tan Rakmi Vang Avulila Chungoning Shidale. In addition to that, okay, issue we hili scholar we oja khini narang ro midale mushungam aungshi. Wherever you are, please rise up. Okay. And then scholar we nunilakai Miss akalarang ro midale Christine Horam. Okay. And then you think Mahak. Okay. Yutin Mahakina Tumi shi Avuni. Now Ravuli Tan Laga Ishili Talai Rang Rumidaklinia. Jena Razanghai Tanak Bivang Avuli Lakunga Nishi. And then issue we Kunukli issue we resourceful Salakai Ojaka Rang Rumiere Oja Solomon Nan Axing Ningam Yorjo. And then issue Argyle executive being acting in Gam Mr. Host. Jena idum natum pouring sa natum pouring masami fai natum pouring masak fai ya arma dui mang naga pouring za dotla jena pouring masat mi fai da isina tangkuri artist paula khai Hindi lala English lala tangkul lala ana sai ka the kmom kal ka yang khai lam thala khai issue wi chon SP na lang romidle chon SP acting in kamera. And then our sort now sorry in the acting in kamera. So here chon wing sort now nai ani rang romin the clinic jena introduction ji the kuiman sing adam mushai khai to mirazang man ka da dignitary sazang man ka da introduction kuiga man se and then teno tada I adam kuilau ke arma I mukulimra after say 5 years arhon class 10 dam the living 9 dam the living class 12 11 dam the graduation sabing sang saga just 3 years we long hili na tum he arba free masal wi gijne shudi unga ari na tum na yauti ngai dikta adam lom le gijne class 12 ku klio da na tum he kiot sasigle and then na tum na graduation dam afra class 12 graduation ku bai ka itum he na hi mupung pha hai yaron nawa kha ngla naw khang sau gi ne jena na hi kiot sargle od masal sai nam bam baila so after 5 years utili na hi na ramli zambang laga ari rai shai laga pa ta chani ga mi da klei ne jena na tum wi shong za shong physically varakla gi ari you have to think ari talai na paning zagai ri ji ka after 3 4 5 years itli na tum hi tangkhuri wang asset agang sagi jin asset jega amang sa agang sagi jin amang sak mi ag avung sa ngai sir ya meaning or you want to be liabilities of the community or asset for the community asset all like obviously asset for the communities right yar we want public we want khu we want you we want aman kasaga ojumang sangai lan thum he jiga akita da yarui ashangli zammangai laga hiwa pisung
Sapani kani ka chui matai me kama ka zi ram sa tha da ining liao rang sho sho tot ka bang uk chui li ka ra lai shat lung li ni sam ga pa Sampang salo I want the oak tree Matai tura ki tui aina na li chan sam si do mo pong shog la tum ga bam ning chot ma tai me le ka shi ya pong shog ka hai nga veng me ga hun ga hai lai sha chi chốt mấy được khô một giấc mơ khẽ lấy xa ngỡ hôn phờ lùi lấy xa oan nhang
Children SB, our issue with Speaker Mr. Warren Muivana Atam Kwimirno.
Good afternoon. As you sitting here, Tang Rok Narang, so he can I make sure I'm making Chinda. Anyway, in a Mutu de Klimasha. Okay, one. You mean worrying Hoye? I really he NGO Akar Ranzalaga in Falipum the Clean. We NGO I mean a step. Mashaira, Kasham Zaira. No? As Taklego in Noje. Social transformation and educational platform. Okay. Ili kathaimzang. Magathaimzang. Fine. Okay. I kujbaba kyuangla jika. Nothing response at issue da. Iwi topic here. Matugik chinewo. Ili magathaina chumai saka. I have to tell a little bit about myself, my story. In a recu wang hiling ning the clay. Katada I hili ungzang kui, kajui karchan hi, hang jitege. Mang nangai. Before that, natum class 10 pasa ke miya zangle. Metric tag hai. Okay. Class 12 tag hai. Uniform sang the clay, being in a class ke ya. As la kamai natum yawe. Class 10 ne career counseling sampo kaiwa. Itu mo kaji itu mirin le career counseling kaji he. Akshi lam zangui kine. Ka career counseling ma samang shon jila. Yang karna be career counseling samang shon. Career counseling ka tham ro. Warin. Like that palo mi ga ang sagi jiko. Yang like that palo mi ang sagi jiko. Chimang jila. As of habukai. China Masha Shalila. So you Ivangwa, that was the only career counseling I received. Yeah, that's my class 10. I na 10 pass out some of why. As a sagi the clay here. Not only hisalo the hang taking him go. Ka ina regardamly experience masaka kui with tamukui je. Not only share sagi the cranium. Kubanglajiga itu regardamly betumli. Mistakes after mistakes, yeah, wrong decision after wrong decision. Kui maman laga, ada akasakui oh he iwang maning nai, da paningui laga akasakui jilaga ari healing ning the learning jila. Kan it we experience in the share sahai kava, you will not be making the same mistakes, hopefully, yeah. Jena iwi mingwarin hoi ila. I was like you once, class 10 litam saye. Class 10 metric tha koi laga result rise aye result ka show ka tam hili na tum result ka tha saning klim thim ne kha I will live klam hai lagin na class 10 hi da like here ning sang lagin pai ka ba result ba tam thau ya da khiwan ka ta memorize ka samang nam nim la maths la theorem to memorize la ka tha ya chemistry la da formally reaction to ka ta memorize la ka tha raga result shock result tha da sam hai sai da science swing sa khai la yang that's my science curriculum like arts curriculum like mthai rangai result the issue da okay jenila class 10 gubai laga iwi result matha sai da ai science khilo da hang jin science kui kai la science meaning jang jin le jena science as not mun le da science meaning jang la nam phoi khung sak le jang gi da le then I science cho da class 11 le kup sang kui Jena science kui laga science kui da doctor exam tha bungai jaw. Jen I zinguma khi doctor thak vai medical exam thak vai coaching ma kui. Yang jen ji kui hai laga zinguma ka hi coaching ma kui. Zinguma coaching hi kachang khani wa laga tha gai ni mirror phumra da. Iwi matik maning ne da. Jena I daga I khisa sikla da phaning da klai tamili ai yung sna khana social work ji subject lai dai jita tam no dhanga sak jitla. Then ila as iwa yaru wat sangai jinda jen haga social ta mau ke kiglak jemdem go ada social work na subject aming baje ngruye da then chỉ ta tầm áo về đây Bangalore đó thì cái này chứ Bangalore ta tầm Bangalore zingung cái thùng ta tầm là cái last year chỉ có làm hay là cái này Young India Fellowship cái gì Masters program cái này sao cái là hi all over India ina ashi misha khamang cái bằng quy gì này chen chỉ là I science này đó quy được gì mong là mấy chuyện giảm go I science này đó khi vang lấy cái chữ scholarship gì lạc phang gì là thế là scholarship cái gì thằng này đấy I here try saying also that he chỉ try cái sao được gì là unexpectedly rival lu commission mang ai na first round thì clear sa second round clear sa third round clear sa là fourth round clear sa cái là then chữ selection sang cái bằng gì na hi iwi masters chi Young India Fellowship Delhi likasa chilika sa tamili iwi ameki rakakhuisa mangchine yang until then wa I Imphali pam like tam Bangalore pam tak leiwa I was always with in my safe environment natum dadari ukhuli tam gai tam tang khu namang so zatle tang namang so zatle yang ram namang so zatle ka ukhuli wa it's just 0.001% of the world yang natum ok thim thei rang ek la same for me ila chi shok chi Bangalore Delhi Young India Fellowship ka sa hi wa iwi wa ma da pai shok nai na chot kai ne chilira tam dak la hi misha ka all over India misha ka mang ka pang gu ila sang ka sa ne I was the only northeastern tribal boy khang dai bing myang au sir institute kam ta na tam khui mi mang sir atumane compete ka sa hi iwi wang wa cho na da sa hui ki shitla example aka na ba atumui wang wa question khangan hi pai nang jit la vai professor na kharjan saman lega sapang khanga la cha iduma professor ami ingrak le yang na chum zati gai yang professor mi ngas atum man hoax professor li I question han ge da iduma na professor na han ma de ngas al duma na da ma thai lek tu jine chi level en zat than jit la chen I iwa hi ma sa ba mra ba hi ba hi dai ka I ki ka them lai ro ma them sang lak mra hi ba iwa I have to try ka ji wi phaning ka khui na I hi thang ga hi simung laga iwi hostel li ung laga akhama ba question hi kang han ra da I ung pa khai ning jit la as question by akmi hi topic ngan hi han ra da laga class khawa next daily chili ngan ura da ready sa bo khai ne yang apang khang ka ura ja ahuk chi kya sam ro as nervous ka ahuk sa ga je chen na mang 100 mang han tu chen na I akma ngan thung lakra ba da simli hung le ung pa lui question hi topic ra ga hi question han ra question thang han ra da question memorize sang chine wa ka lui ngan ura ji da sharon ri long sa je AC lungli mang 100 tu ka thmali li ba da apang khang ga nai li ma khang da rang ga ozan thainam gai la oi gorin khingan gi ji da jana chili da simple question ngan gi gai ne ji khang han wi ring pha je as phaza khang weng je ji na ba da I question thang chi da question aka bang han khaning han ga I started inculcating that habit yeah that was my first introduction to the real world question ojaling han ga thai han ga shap yeah the question sa ga shap with skill here there was a one little thing then chi ko ga sang itum chili zinguma ga chili we studied 32 subjects yeah because it was a liberal arts ye ka ba we study everything then tamai laga towards the end yung sanau bing here oi iwa Harvard admission sa mga re oh iwa Oxford li sa mga re oh iwa Cambridge sa mga re it's all the world's aming ma shai ra university bing je world ok with top university bing ni jitla ka iwa akhlama sa mang sak je mang lama shiman sak je apply sarak je kiwi wang because I was like you yeah I was like you in the sense itum rarga tamli shawi shabana ai urin da ba yali shok tam gi ko shok tam ro ko isha wo isha ni isha wa to long na ai urin da ba yar tam gi ko scholarship he lego hang ji bai ming palam nei sak jitla jen ayali tam ro je mang lama shiman sak je yang itum li ba yali ka tam hi ba like ka thiam bing bang phaisa ka sing bing bang ka sang bing bang na tam mai da phning saw mo jen itum mang le ma shiman man da ma shiman sak jitla ka iwi classmate bing na ai iwa hi sabang jen ila atum sarga I khang sarar gi da ta ila ning hakhui laga apply sa bo khai ne apply za laga I hi scholarship admission sa mang khai la ra Netherlands ma shai ra dum Netherlands li university akli admission sa mang khai la ka scholarship sa mang duk je jen ina email aga pi ba khai ne as ihi azukum tamngai zalla phaisa am lei thore jiwan iu admission ni chingra da defer zam yolo I scholarship pala khana kumra tamra sa gaida tina university bashin ai sabai the iu admission in defer zam ngai ni jeni delhi li university da admission ma khui laga like the man da iu scholarship apply sa bokai la I applied to more than 10 scholarships. I got rejected for every scholarship. Every essay ka bi hi scholarship apply sa hi essay ka pila apply sa nang shit leang itum lila essay ka ka pira tam jithek bai mi lei samada ka pi pa laga reject sai but I learned from my mistake. I wrote a better one the next time. I wrote a better one the next time. I think in my 13th attempt I got a scholarship. The scholarship sanga phang jaina I went to Netherlands. I did my masters there. I did my masters in human rights, peace and conflict studies. Yeah, Jisakui, I came back. I worked with Amnesty International. It's the world's biggest human rights organization. Bangalore le chili otsa. Chiwitiena, I went to Gurgaon think tank kakle otsa. Yeah, and from there I worked in a leadership company in Bombay. Then I worked in Ladakh. And then during this period of time, I traveled to 38 countries. Yeah, Hiwi exposure some mama tamili lockdown ongta gai tamili I had a lot of time to think paning a kuitra some bang jila jilin a keep paning kui I bijin pa shim kuli prag some evening ko yeah admission itum hanglak jiga exam tamli exam ranga last bench li khangning party jang chong jine fima kami bingjing ning galo not exam thang sakram ko yeah chui level e rakhala ge who am I ikibak lam ning na yeah ko Ihi lockdown at Tamili, I realized a lot of things. Jini ki paning kui us in a reming sadagli viva lumission kamivang ne. Secondly, opportunity. It's not money. Like I said, it's not because of money I went abroad. It's not because of money I worked in all of these organizations. Yeah, opportunity. Sanga pangwivang na Young India Fellowship bakui. Young India Fellowship kawawi opportunity sang pangan I ning hak sang hui laga ats ila ayar matam lakra chu I chima shok sa ji ayar wa I wi matik maning ne matam ram pam sa gi chne yang ka chu opportunity sang pangan na I ning hak hui laga ila ayali shok tam kui chu opportunity jen I apam tra ka kui otra ka sa kui yang chine ki paning ina yang hung atam li I wi ngosna bing tra ka lai sai ili thiam khamai exam atam rank mathamai da sang phang ka tam hi hada You will level lim karar la pom kasa trak le dak le sa shan kui kyubang awi atumi khwim ning lak mako ka atumli guide sami gwai mimlei samada opportunity grab sa kui vai malai mada mathai mada atumi da disappointed sala pom du kai ibana wa kulam hai lagan brivan lumission mida mathiam sala opportunity aga sambang kui sak so that's a little bit about myself jena arena hangi ji hi ina iwi school tamaka atamai na aring ning the glaili what are the mistakes I made as iwi school tamili college ka tamili hi ili hang te sa sik jiwa iwang kana nar te yang ji take a quipping here share sa ge gishne yang ari hili ra ga hili natum ai iwa class 12 ko hi sara his life that ina te ngai ba iwa hi sara I doctor sara engineer sara IS sara ji te decision kui ga mi masang li masang nai okay naga okay na kisara lawyer oh perfect is lawyer aga rat las no bang chap char anaka ma asma hang sere okay khangdei masang li iba hisangai isara ga jimi masang li thai gai na hisara software engineer perfect khadai na li question ga ngano gai ini question ga ngano gai nai software engineer sara jaiga kana da sara ga jimatai process jimatai mathai ka kaim ling da na ka tena ka thai ji hangeng ra okay na re class ka tamle class 9 okay class 9 tamle yang chidai ka ri awi ta da software engineer sangai ga jimi kya sang lai engineer sangai ga jimi kya sang lai ri pa khang gala akamangla hita he tamina hangai ri marakhali ina khida khaba dam li ming wang jit la iwa engineer sangai jil ga 11 12 le science week arts week sa iwa army sangai jil ga 11 12 NDA exam army officer sangai jil ga 11 12 li arts week sa mi la jang jit la yang ta ga jo q pai le masali bai gi jit la nana software engineer sangai je ga ba na hi 11 12 le science week plung ra yang science mun khui la arts week la i software engineer sa ga jim sa bai mram nim la 11 12 le science week ra je na JEE exam joint entrance exam ji thara yang na chi pass ra rai ga ba no engineering college sam bangra chili batam ra like you'll become a software engineer yang okay great okay tada in how ke as we session e khang tai ro ko na ga da engineer sa ra ga da doctor sa ra ji hai sa sa ji ba tada ka chung jang theser ga ne yang doctor sangai ge jibin kya sangle MBBS sangai ge jibin kya sangle okay akmang khani ina adan kang na ding no ina yeng le tong yeng ta se ge jim de apang ita smart sang kang lo doctor sangai ge ji kya sangle masangai tureng lang da okay apang ma kang ga leng sang ga doctor sangai bing ji theisra yang 11 12 le science kuira 11 12 le science kui plungra science meaning jang la doctor sa ge ji je kha chode yang science kui plungra science khungai plungra 11 12 ko bai la ga NEET exam yang national entrance exam ji thara je NEET exam ji pass sai ga wa no medical college sam bang chi ba tam ra engineer sangai bing la 11 12 li science kui plungra science kui la ga no chemistry physics mathematics sikuira JEE yang exam je thara exam je pass sai ga ba na engineering college li engineer ba tamra engineering sara army sangai kya sangle army okay yes khangalom thai okay army sangai bingji na dang hangai rang in the school ka wali army sangai army officer sangai ji mitra sang sa ji ne cuz army sangai tong ji arts khui sa ji ji thai ko na NDA exam tha li bai gi ji yang then I iwa kan the jawan sa ma ge je ka kaim lim ko I iwa the army jawan sa ge je ka ba da phasa chim tha bung gi ji yang back 15 kg ngalung phung laga ngasam khar party yang lo tara dal khulik zat ga tha yang nomai ka thai resa ga thai physically fit sai ga ba class 12 any subject ku laga na jawan sai bai ka iwa captain sangai major sangai colonel sangai je ko 11 12 science ku plung ro NDA exam thara yang then NDA exam thai laga army or navy or air force ji samang ro yang then pass sai ga tai ga na direct army officer ina ha ba ro now the rank man laga chui la na retire tai bai yang so he process laser gai go he wa in a mahang sal la tada internet le sambang ra hang ji thai ser bai asama question claiming ngana ra salo azu hi wa I want to focus on something else. Itum hi, mikumo hi, kapra tamili. Itum hi, queen talk hi. It's majorly divided into two. Division baman, it can be divided into many parts. Just for the sake of today's, it gets divided into two, left and right. Yeah, here the kapra ina. Itum hi, it's not up to us. Kapra ina here the some of us humans function from the left brain. Some of us humans function from the right brain. Yang right in the function kasa bing hi bing hin of memorize kasa kata hi them. Yang the memorization numbers alphabets tai atuma ma paila gitla. Left in the function kasa bing hin of chikta chuma chot nang gitla. Memorize kasa numbers kata multiplication table kata or dyslexia yang claiming at na letter kia ga namli ulta pulta ina jumble ina ka thai jen memorize sa chot lag ji like pa chot lag ji hi ka atumba na va creative arts li them lag ji la yang painting ga sara no music ra no so anything that's not related to books will them lag ji la te itu mikumo hi na te ser go na like ma them sal la you have your own talent nei mi siknok nei akazang le la ya mikumo hi nga te ser re jen azu hi tada like pa ngai bing na ai wa doctor sangai engineer sangai ji bing na like pa ngai bing na ba chu line is at klai lo we need more doctors, we need more engineers, we need more IS officers. Yang ka sentenceagi punga ka pala bhat masa kar nan IS thare je ka chodai. Yang sene Mahatma Gandhi is the father of the nation. Mahatma Gandhi jail ka asama after 1 hour. Who is Mahatma Gandhi? Mahatma Gandhi is the mother of the nation. Suka sa yang si thai ka bachia exam ka thai ba ka chodau ra. Yang then acha we capacity ka thai le darkar sai. Ari doctor sangai, engineer sangai, hi sangai ki chbing hi. That me larik pangai phungra, discipline lai phungra yang ning ka exam pass ai ko chodau ra. Now jihai sa we're coming back to a different part, to a different section. Ariona tamili, we live in an age kulamai la kai tamling it me okti dak lai ko, where anything can be your career. Yang real doctor, engineer, eyes high sa say anything can be your career. We live in that age. Example kami ke New York li homeless miyak like sane. Homeless person. Homeless ka thidla. Shim lam lem nei, ot lam sam nei, income lam lem nei. He was homeless. So one day he was sitting in a park. Park li pam laga ana yeng khawa tam li queue ka sang ka ngning sa ji la ve. Jena ji queue ya side da chili wang han ji la. Oh. Đó thùng kiwang hili queue kiwang ning được lên đồng sang nang ningai sei da ka ne kiwang le ja as iPhone 5 ji release sari ji jena ji khira dang rai da klei ne da hang ji la jena an line ji yeng laga us na ju line ne sang le thaga no wi wang in ang ning mi sa gai no wi whatsapp ji sa lo no wi line in ang ning mi sa gai khang ning wi aman mi lo ga ji la jena oi ji sa bai klai da I think he gave him around $300 to stand in a line for 3 hours yang jena awi line nganing laga awi turn rasung gaili and the phone sa oh no we turn rasung go so he came, he bought his phone and left. That was the easiest $300 he made. That line nganing laga 25,000 rupees sang phang de masangai i khisan nglem them nei jim masangai line ni da nganing wan la phaisa sam mangi ji yang jena second day dang ji la aji ruya New York li zak nganaw laga line khang nganing hi bayeng zak ji la aka nganing sa le jena no i wa in nganing mi ge nei ili phaisa mi lo jena ei ting pha la ge ni mi liao jena phaning wi ge la acha hi wa business sa ba rel mo da na ruya na atum li khiom no professional line sitter atum profession hili professional line sitter man na khisa line ling nganing gi ja da yang ayar jong wa queue hi ta nganing shon ge ji la phai hop ka thari li sara ji ka adum phai hop ning chamin na rion rapper Kanye West, you know Kanye West. Awi phiyop akala idla Yeezy, yang Yeezy limited series he release sara jika mi bing here. Tada ngrang rok itum Netherlands tom like tam le PS5 release sara dangji os mi bing ba the night before atum we sleeping bag khura se laga ji ra ping rok jide first quick vai. Ya ji tam ji liba tada career jega ba doctor engineer yang IS officer chimani phaning sa jidla. River. We live in an age where anything can be your career. Example ka ina kathai national ka ahi nganui lag tamai na massage interest lai nak jila hili massage interest lai mi kya sang lai musalam la hina oi massage mdem massage ya massage 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 bhabdat la malaysia na wa here massage malay sangai na jidla tada mi wi dang teng tei sere interest yang aba da akhlata YouTube li yang laga awi pressure point hi ana phagui laga akhlata massage sa ring phaga mili ba sami ring pha atun ring phag ring phai akhlata tam wi jidla yang ai laga class ka dali masa class boring joy ka pang ming rok laga da massage sang rok la tan mai turn itu ma raklen nam phuai na masa ai la sami abada sangai na sami jidla ring phanang jidla masasa mi jan avam iwam masas firstly ba shimgun mam yam da ai matam bai na bia da musa guide la a bia tam kuilaga i vasala ka da hi masters in sports science si tam ji kubai laga massage hi watam yang ji kubai la ri hi massage wi parlor show da glei imphal li pung abavu le ana lupa thinga sha banga charge sai yang pungak li ta massage sa ka mi wi thaga phaning ing lo tada mara let's say zimik show akali mi khani massage sa me jaw sai 2 hours yang laga tingatum phai zai tingatum samang dak leitla yang tingatum hi 3,000 into 3 because there are 30 days yaw 30 days in a month 3,000 into 3 ka kya ga 90,000 yang 90,000 okay 90,000 la smart now right just let's say 20 days Sunday ko kai laga yang Sunday is some holiday 20 days daga 3,000 into 2 60,000 chila mer nai jause tada 30,000 jause this boy is just 22 years old I think 22 years old zingam makda khani aina he's already earning 30,000 milima sat sa kami aina yang he works 2 hours a day out of 24 hours he works 2 hours and he earns 3,000 yang I'll give you a perspective nahi let's say nahi order samang nahi 50,000 rupees earn kasa tulop kasa tak leitla yang 50,000 what kasa hi every day you work from 9 to 5 yang example go you work from 9 to 5 that's what 6 hours you work 6 hours every day in the office na tor tak tira wash up sa kira office laura 6 to 5 han hungni chot naida socialize sa na humpi aura 6 to 5 yang so basically you're earning 50,000 if you divide that by per hour it comes to about 300 rupees per hour I think maths ma them to the mungui sa phyong mi lo it comes about 300 rupees per hour 50,000 society never it's our 50,000 kazanda yang society our office colleague 50,000 zada clean da was our officer da if you do all the math he's earning 300 rupees per hour ka massage ka sabaji awas mi da malai sajidla hita ki otta he's earning 1,500 rupees per hour you get it yang ariona tam hi it's all about dignity of labor nana ka them aga le hai ka nana sa ka thei aga le hai ka it can be your career mam lai say anything can be your career yang jana he really you have to remember 3 things what is it that you love mikumo sa sa ka ngai ning chang tra ka le abu le se sare ning la secondly are you good at it mathem nana ka sajli ka thumali are you able to earn money isn't it really career the clean yang career is something nana paisa earn sa quick that allows you to survive nana sa ka thai nana paisa earn sa ka but that's not your career nana paisa earn sa ka but that's not a career maybe it's your hobby daga ka nana paisa earn sa how can I make that my career yeah so you have to remember what is it that you love are you good at it are you able to make money yeah he go it might work might not work but these are 3 things now we career ka phaning atamli because in a rihang dak hi anything can be your career yang sin example ka sa se hili han hang ga thai hang ngai mi mazang wai wai ya ai ya kya ga tang ngai le han hang ngai mi mazang oh na han hang ngai la hang thai la okay no ming ba ho ha nga thummi okay thunmi okay na han hangai za hangai ni yang na we favorite na hangai mai thui ji khil ana hangai mai thui ji mi male cake ooh okay na re class ka tamle 7 okay cho thank you thunmi hi ai ni songai ai ji da encourage sa lungi ji ne man thai thunmi hi class 7 tam dak le ko a hi an hang da hi cake a vuling hana ai kim sai pa sai pa yang okay ai songai aga thai a thang da in a khang bu ke what is it that you love in a I love singing yang inava iklata iwa la sa thai da sa la bai yang kum mi ba da la sa da ma funing je ji dai ga ba jeng dai lu go na ga thiam hi mi ga don la ash a thiam la ke thai lung gi le yang a vu long e tam a vu na zat han mang thai sai ba nam jin ni ga han dai okay ga อันที่ลงเวทตั้มลียังอิชาวุลงเวทตั้มลีนาวาเซอร์เดหังเทนายจะต่างลีกับเผารำลีกับเผามีเลเซอร์เดก็อาจจะมาตั้มลีวะตั้มอาจจะนี่ที่เราตั้มจะได้ไฟมีมันเลยมันอาจจะมีหังกระเทยเทียมกับเทียมเฮียจะนั่งไฟใครล่ะต่างเราเอาหังเทยจะนั่งริงกับพังซาใครล่ะยังต่างวิอีเวนต์นักเลยละหังมีโลจะจอดอะไรบ้างหังมีละหังคำมีมันเต็งคนน่าสาขึ้นมาเลยชิมลียังชิมลีน่าชิมคนน่าสาจะองเช้าละจะนั่งริงกับพังซาใครล่ะcareer มันได้ทุกจิตละหังเทยสารละจิตตั้งแต่ตรงนี้ตั้มจะได้มีมันเลยตัวมั้งก็รีบ like I said anything can be your career ทุนมีเฮียเรียก class 7ตั้มเด็กเลยก็ไอเฮียเรียนักสกุลตั้มAlice โอเคไอเฮียเรียเค้กที่เชื่อมเทกจิตเลยอ่ะเจนเรียฮีทุนมีเฮียเรียเค้กที่อันนั้นจะเชื่อมแล้วก็เชื่อมมะนาวเทียมให้เทียมแล้วก็เรียมีนั่นแหละใช้ไพ่เจนเรียไอเฮียเค้กที่ทั้งกจีดเค้กที่ขณีเค้กไอเฮียพังอาจ้าสิเค้กพังอาเฮียเบกซ่าจิตละ example ก็เค้กพังอาเบกซ่าแล้วก็เค้กอาวุธหรือเปล่าชายังเค้กอาวุธหรือเปล่าชาในเขียวก็จะน่าวิเค้กใช้ไพ่ได้อันน่ะ Alice School ที่ใกล้จ้ะ Alice วิอจาบิงวิ half time tea break ลิใช้ไว้เค้กที่เบเกอรี่ลิมโลละทุนมีเว้นโลกจิตละใช้ไพ่ได้อจาบิงนะยังอจาบิงนะวิเค้กใช้ไพ่ได้ไอ้ทุนมีไว้ในโลกสิแต่ถ้าไอ้ตรงวิ national เลยก็กระตุ้มซะแต่ใช้ไพ่เลยก็ได้ everyday 5 packets สิอจาก็ต้องมาใช้ไพ่โลกจิตละ which means ทุนมี everyday ลุปะชาพังอาวิเค้กยอร์ดเลยละเว้ยอจาบิงหินาเรียไอ้ทุนมีวิเค้กใช้ไพ่ได้ชิมลีองยาวชิมนาวชิมวิชิมกรูบิงนะไอ้ทั้งอีเลยใช้ง่ายได้ order ซะง่ายซะจุงง่ายจุงยังเรียทุนมี class 7ก็มันได้ทั้งจีนเค้กทราโยคุยดักเลยละที่น่าว่าเจไอ้ดักลุปะทิ้งก็ซิมิกชัวร์ลุปะทิ้งก็อันซาดักเลยละแล้วก็ซิมิกชัวร์ทิ้งก็อันซาก็क्या का 1 monthly 30,000ยัง30,000ฮิลี Sunday มันสั่งนี่จะ20,000เจ้าสิ20,000ฮิลีทิ้งพังอาหินะว่าเอาวิ ingredients ครบจัดใครเนี่ยถ้าก็เอาวิ net profit ที่ 15,000ยังทุนมีเรื่อง class 7แต่มันนั่นแบบ 15,000 earn ซะดักเลยละอิชอีหล่าจะยูเชียร์ไปอยู่เว้ยยังอาฮีแต่มัน 15,000 earn ซะดักเลยละเชื่อมง่ายเชื่อมเทียมง่ายเทียมเรียกไอ้ class 10กูไปแล้วก็12กูไปแล้วก็เรียกไอ้อีว่า professional baking ว่าทำเดียวกันแต่เรียกไอ้ professional baking ว่าทำแล้วก็มาท้าแล้วก็เทียม line professional ใช่ทำกูแล้วก็หันคงก็ทำเรียกไอ้ทุนมิสเบเกอรี่แต่องค์โชว์ใครเราครุลเลยยังพาอะไรนะใครเองเอาไอ้เค้กใช้ครับยังไงเอาไอ้ใช้ไพ่ที่เที่ยวมั้งเอาไอ้ customer เลยสับลงเอามั้งองค์ก็โชว์ลีใช้ผ้าไม่ขาดใช้กุยลุย variety จุ่มไม่ขาดก็ทุนมี as a baker as a bakery owner as a business owner ไอ้เรื่องพาอะไรนะมีเรื่องออกที่ไปใครละยังจิตใจก็น่าจะต้องมกทิ้งไงมกทิ้งไงล่ะมกทิ้งไงเลยชียังโจไล่นั่งกับตัวที่แล้วก็มาสาพาละจัดแล้วมาสาคุยเบรกแล้วใช้กับออฟฟิศกันสัมบาฮันนุ่งจิมุดปาลีว่าทุ่มีเอาเบเกอรี่ได้แต่อาจจะว่าโจได้ปุ่งทาเลชุนเอาไงริงพายปีคุยยังอาจจะมันปีไงตัวเองขัดไม่ได้ว่าเอาไงปุ่งชิ้นนี้บ้างแล้วก็ว่าช่วยไปเอาไอ้ own boss anything can be your career พับตัดละนั่นน่ะกระเทียมจีนั่นน่ะกระเทียมจีดิมาปุลีอินะไทยคำเสียกันเลยอาชาว่าฮี government อจาเนี่ยวะก็ government อจาสัลละอาชาว่าฮีว่าอิชาว่าลงอย่างสนาวเนี่ยไอ้เด็กมันใครทำไมนะทำ carpentry interest เลยนักจิตละ carpentry ยังเจน่ะอันเอาคนนี้ละอวัยน่ะชื่อคือละก็อวัยนั่นทำสิ่งมันอันนี้ละ carpentry interest เลยมัน carpentry ทำวิกัยละ now เมื่อคนนี้ the younger one is like 22 23 I think the older one is like 26 27 อันนี้ now อันนี้ we own factory เลยละก็อันนี้ we own ดุการเลยละก็ full time re carpentry ซะดูกันละ they're earning between 1 to 2 lakhs every month อันนี้คิดไหมซะนานจะเทียมนานจะ self taught wooden tray ก็ท่า wooden spoon ก็ท่า wooden ball wooden decorative pieces ก็ฮีเชื่อมแล้วก็ดิมาปุลีเลยเด็กเลย restaurant ก็ต้องฮีอันนี้ we supply สิ่งเด็กเลยละ they earning ยังมีนว่าแค่ mystery ตัวน่าว่าจีตัวลบอ่ะแค่จัดเลย IS officer we told you chumai le lakhani zai ko ingno IS officer wa na retire sa na etam li lakhani ka na ok jinda ha ko pokli ba thing hang phanga hang thuk tan ha ko pongda yang ina khang ba chima pha IS ma salo chim ina ka example mi dak le hi da dam ni da dam wi perspective hi sak tak le la hi sa pa ye ji run ok tu hi wi ok tu ling ning pom dak le la ukruli jalo house services ki ba mai thai mathai house services catering yang atamali pan phaning zara ukruli catering service arek je sak zaura aga saura jiga shimkur tang na utung cho lain mai za yang hok sa tha sak zaba ji ba hok lakal masam ngui sara sa thak mi do an bi seba tong hui diao yang cho lain sai river sak zaure cho ishi mi sha pang agang sa miao lo lang sa mi mathai there's always avenue for business, there's always avenue for a career. Chena rihon atamili, you have to remember anything can be your career. And a reason in example ka miere to me, yang baking interest like you can make a career out of it. Yang tada avu long itamli ba hangtei sal la hiwining mat phaning ma tu da tada ramli tangli churchli ka hangje ring phang sao ka riba ning hak lain phaning laga as iwa baking na sangai ka thiam na thiamai tai ka iwa hi sapai ka chu ning hi leilo ka chit layang jena ada in carpentry we in a example miera yeah that for example that iwi example ka miau ge that ila aka sasai now my full time career is to run an NGO, but at the same time as a part of my NGO I travel all over the country to go and speak. Yeah, I travel all over the world, all over the country to go and speak. Hilivalaga, how is that my career? Because now I charge money for my services. Yeah, in a tamgui gahai, we experience in a share I charge money. When universities when universities invite me, when this invite me, I charge 5,000 rupees per hour. Yeah. I have traveled to Delhi, to Guwahati, to Dimapur, all over Manipur to go and speak. I have converted my passion of speaking into my career. Taga, let's say if I don't earn this much, but I'm just giving you a perspective. Let's say I speak twice a week. Okay? 10,000, yeah? 5,000, 10,000. Taga, in 1 month, I speak what? 8 times. That means I earn 40,000. By speaking for 8 hours, I earn 40,000. Just giving up. I don't earn that much. I don't speak for 1 month, 2 months. I'm just giving you an example. How do you convert your passion into your career? You get it? Generally, if he interest like the hang I must unluckily. You hobby he negative, you must unluckily. Jimusang in a example in a school like about Jidla. Jina Shinagan and Hanra say oily, us Leshinaji. Shinabai and Khan, us, Sir Ivo, Gashanga Jongat Katipata, Kabarsaka Matagata, Tarline Gai, even Saine. He will carry him later though. Then Hana Saji, that tip Mike, no Shima some Tamike, Katana say, Labatinga Mige, Labatinga Milo, Jacoba. I will be more than happy to pay that money. Yeah? To pay that money to that person. To clean that house for me. Jibajina, let's say, Igata Migatum, Liana, Zimisha Avli Shimgatuma, sometime Ikava, she earns 3,000 rupees per day. Yeah? 3,000 into 30, Yaga. 90,000. Kachang only 90,000. Yang Shimshim Nivala Shima, sometime Igiji. Dignity of labor, young Minava. Anything can be your career in this age, in this time. Okay? Question ngahan ngai sang lak. In other nang question ngahan ngai laga awuk sadak le mi kya sang le. Question ngahan ngai ma sang lak before we proceed to the next. Na namang han gui ga wa noi khamang sara. Okay? Jen in ngahan lu shit ge question ngahan ngai ma sang. Ning chang ka ba. Ne. Itu pra patriotic ni yang. Ukruli iwi avuram nai, ukruli miamrak jipari mangai la. Ukruli prasang ukruli tisang jipari mangai la. jo mya kamal kangal jo ya le chok tam ngai ibo ja songai chok pa pang ka mi so okay kyo se mi hyak rali mi ya kamal chok tam ngai da yar wa chi ka nong sonai jo South Korea le chok tam ngai ki kya sang le ha South Korea li opa aga chok sam bangai da je kya sang le 너 미야 다 야를 딱 막 하는 거라 오케이 다 히야 히다 마상 살이 희망 간갈라다 희망 이다 루잉에다 오케이 인 한가이 너 미인 한가이 아야리 쇼크담 예 삭라겐 뭐 푸닝로 마탐 러머러 그치 뭐 푸닝로 We live in an age where everything is possible. Ina, ayali shokadamji, I didn't pay a single penny. Instead, I got paid to study abroad. Yang, iwi admission fee dong hing rumaka, it came to about 60 lakhs for my master's course. Mangla shiman la 60 lakhs na like the my admission wang. Ka jiwi shawa kidney was alama masamang right. Yang, jasum lim ne ka. Scholarship sang ka bangai na free na shok dam dla ayali ka tam ni tam rao masters tam man da ka chang ga dal pa 1.2 lakh sang ka bang you account li government na nei like tam lo nei da chang ya date every month we did one ung tak le sms ding ding jeng le ya in the gangwa paisa wang phaning laga simkuri cham nai matam rmre iwa isiwa sim paisa chui tamning manai lei de lei tam ngai kan na interest lei ka wa ayar ka tam di it's possible but you have to prepare kata to prepare sara of course first of all not likely interest lei plumra but I'm not saying you have to be top not it yeah but you have to be at least like consistently 70 75 with other level line yeah 70 75 level line consistently you have to have a good academic record yeah but that's the least the other most important thing is nana ayar tangbai wang scholarship apply sa admission apply sa tarang ki mai darkar sa you need extracurricular activity okay in a young India fellowship agatamli they asked about my academic achievement na class 10 ni makya sambang 12 ka sambang enough but the other part the more important part which was 5 essay that I had to write of 1,500 words each. I had to write essay. Yeah? 5 essay here. Example, one of the question was like, write about an incident where you have shown your leadership quality. Then extracurricular activity, like I was a leader in my house. I was the head of the family. I taught my brother to do this. Yeah? In a gangwa, you have to have real experience to write all of this thing. Example kam yaw yeah in hangs they mi mlei samada high school ka tam li we want to be the cool guys yeah or in debate competition lei jang lo ja like man extempore the man lastly pum laga lang party sa sa class 10 12 ko certificate khali khalma khale yang certificate 0 khalma khale chena kupsangai ra I was college ka tamili iwa hitawi idea akam lem da masa sa jiko ko tada brivana da ran me sa jino wo you first year ka tamili you ishi class teacher na hiwi society wi vice president salo dang jitla si masal namra yem sangai ni mam ya nam puin sang sakai je second year ka society ka wi cho hiwi president salo masal nam puin sang sakai sa yeah third year gali ishi college we hak mai thui gi society northeastern and Tibetan society hui north sang tong hi yamung ngok ser khaidla jena in the northeast president sa da chili we organize a lot of protest we organize rally actually shimo grabing li tumna phazat mizalaga atum li tumna care hui mi gitla yeah jena iwi essay bi tamjili write an incident about where you've shown your leadership quality gitli I was able to write while I was the president of the Northeastern Society, we did this, we did that, we did this. Yeah? Right about teamwork, actually, while I was the captain of the football team, we did this. Hikta be opportunity sang kapang I got into the Young India Fellowship. All over India, mi sha kamang kapang which I was one of them. Yeah? By virtue of my extracurricular activity. Chiwi sang kapang jena ina ayala shok tamkui. Jentam le hang ngai wa arui. Like the mamanda, participate in extracurricular activity. Nana certificate ka kui hiu experience kui kamang malay lak maray na uang. Yeah? Outside school, outside college salla. Ukrul townly organization kya ka lay. Jili intern wasaura, volunteer wasaura. Nan now the essay no we CV CV what apply ka tamli work experience kan han tamli na zero lay salapay. Kang debing wa oh I interned in this NGO in Ukrul. We did this, we did that. Yeah. Oh, I was the secretary of our youth club. We organized a tree plantation where we planted 500 trees on the foothills of this mountain. Trana moji, ya kapi vai trak lei sarek jitla. Chimaning lang a thor tree, yeah, breakfast to shai kui class wa hanung PUBG reo PTI sasa daga ba now the apply exali kikapira. I was PUBG champion kapila. Yeah, magi bam nimla. You experience I want you to participate in all of this. Even the Bangalore tamli. Every summer vacation, shimungaura ituma. Yang shimunga ubana. Aya inaw ayali sangai hostel masak pamang zalum shan ne zaba hoksa hangmi dal hangmi yang pi pam picnic wa kajang hani gup sangaw. Laga Bangalore hantao class ta kui. Iu mayang nang sunaw bingwa. Summer vacation li organization li intern wasa volunteer wasa winter break li tuma Christmas chuti da ungra hoksa ongjai gura ngasno bing intern sara 3 years graduation gatam ji ituma after graduation zero certificate zero experience itum yang sno bing wa they already have 6 certificates ini what apply wa sa ka same degree same qualification what chikiban sambangra ngasno ban smang radla kibang because she has all of these experiences ningla you know, we have so much of free time. Yeah? We have so much of free time. There are so many things that you can participate in. Build up your profile. Everyone atam here. Supply na chung na kai. Demand na tiyaw na kai. Ot aka kahangili, misha ka apply sa dagle. Jithay ka misha ka lungili. Why should they select you? You have to stand out. How do you stand out? Not with your academic degrees. That helps, but no, we extra in a kimay side lay. Yeah? So, in the hangay man, if you start, read class 9 tamdak lay, 10, kubhay 10 tamdak lay, 11 tamdak lay bing read the mamanda. If you start doing all of these things, then now the ayar show ka exhi no ibang pai na gigshine. Yeah? Apply side no ibang pai na gigshine. Jivang na tumli ji in the hangay I want to encourage you. Ayali shock tam gigshi impossible na idama paningay lo. It is possible. But you have to put an effort to it. You have to work towards it. Yeah? Menika I server na laga yali scholarship lai ji scholarship shokra laga like lumpa. Yang tata sangai sa laga scholarship muche kyung talui. Like I said, I applied to more than 10 scholarships. I got rejected for more than 10 scholarships. Despite my YF, whatever, I got rejected. Kaya ka competitive sa samraw ok suyi. Yeah? So you need to work towards that as well. Okay? In hangay jin nadum iwa ayali tamay jimiya sangle. Nanu ida as ukrul yak ding bagong la. Ukrul yan la shibung la. Aya sangay way. Now that in US guy got a video call sang roks ya. In the US na oh cho de na pom jidra sa kay. Any question hangay mle? Any doubts? Any question hangay mle? In a hang haijli, pap magata or took my the take ngai mazang malay. Last row in a neglect sakitali ne hijong kram yogine. Question han ngai pap magata took my the take ngai mazang. Kapisang dalela. Okay. Hidas ne natum manghan lenga khya ka tar kapisang no question ji kapisang lo. Laga oh sorry ilira mira salo. Yeah. hida career counseling hiwa imang na kamatu hi baka nangi gidla he will career counseling hiwa I'm here to answer your questions to clear your doubts imang na matu zadai khawa I might not be able to answer everything kana tumui specific sala gai question jinda tumna hi thengai da khangan jili ina ngahan ka khami tam jili noi bang la kana kui nana same question ngahan ngai da lek sa mir ba jiwang la kana kui yang jen hidai ba Q&A tam hili kan kana samang gui gi jitla okay jena na tum ji kapi ngai question lega kapi sang lo laga give it to me I'll try to answer them kapi sanga mi mi zong lakti malai lak cô bay la trăn la ra quý cái cho khi bạn mình lên mà thấy vai mình cho trăn ra ra nhiều cho okay okay hili question aga right le yang it's a very practical question kamunula manu say but it's very practical yang okay. Okay. I want to sing, but I'm too shy to sing. It's a practical question. Kya sang la sang la kya sang le. Okay. He question here that simple question gam ninga nei lag zai career sa da sangai jida. Mamulan. Okay, I'm shy. I want to sing, but I'm shy to sing. Okay, let's assume that you want to be a professional singer. Okay. In the other hang, I want to sing here. Nahi lama sa I want to sing Jagawa. Jekuja. Samena mena waka waka. I want to sing, but I'm too shy to sing Jagawa. Chiwa. Jodarka. Yang. Samena mena waka waka. Samena zaga. You have to work on your. I'll give you one example. Everybody is shy. In a real smart at one point of time I was very shy. At one point of time I was super shy. Nervous but then with experience you overcome. Example na lasa nga ijalo. Lasa da exitla. If you get an opportunity, grab that opportunity. I want to sing lasa like yeah. I want to lasa kiyak zadai ka. Takaba you'll never get over. Nana akshi public la last shock sai. Jena na matala kan sai ka. You'll get more confidence. Yeah. So I'm too shy to say that for anything. I want to be a public speaker, but I'm too shy to speak. I want to be a singer, but I'm too shy to living here. Yang shy you'll always be what you need to do is first of all just practice on your own. When you become confident, when you get the opportunity, grab it. Yang any opportunity school labai assembly la shuksa lo grab that opportunity. Nana assembly la shuksa matala kan saga hi nasi we student mi sha phangana ngana hui ga hi. They will never forget. They will always know. Oh, jipa ji lasa day de, jitang la mathain sa de, yang, mom lime rig jitla. So you have to grab that opportunity. Hida singing da hiva. You have to put yourself out there. You have to let people know that you know how to sing. Kan namang bathroom li namang sa sa ka kipan tayo na lasa day je, yang, rugvay namang li sa mina sa, jia upay mo ito re, yang, jia. You have to remember that. Oh, in a chapter when I grow older, I want to be a public speaker. Public speaker, you can be a public speaker. For example, pastors are public speakers. Yeah? Politicians are public speakers. In fact, teachers are public speakers. So, public speaker, it's not just public speaker. Yeah? You can be a bank officer and be a public speaker. You can be a singer and a public. You can be a sports star and be a public speaker. Yeah? But if you want to be a public speaker, the first thing is you need to be confident. You need to practice your public speaking skills. Yeah? Public speaking here, it all depends on practice. Naklata mirrorly yang lo, naklata kharjan sa lo. That's how I learned. Mirrorly yang naklata kharjan sa. I record myself. When I was beginning, I record myself talking about certain topics. Record sehali iklata pa ko yang lo as you khangning mong yamata nam nai as you come to ikathak nai. Then I practice again. Public speaking here, it all depends on practice. And when the opportunity comes, like I said, grab it. Jo, as she church the Bible chukpa lo, kiage. You'll never grab the opportunity. Yeah? Jo, as class li assembly chukpa lo, kiage. Sada dega kiubaile. Yeah? You have to grab the opportunity. Because public speaker, you have to be in front of the public. You'll never get the opportunity. Okay? So practice. Go to YouTube. YouTube public speaking tutorial training. Yeah? There will be so many tips. Or practice. That's how you get your confidence. Okay? I wasn't born like this. Microphone over time, with experience, I get more confident. Now, in the because it comes music. So which subject should I take? Then professionally music you pursue you can learn music here. Vocals we lay. Then a music school vocals with tambai, guitar tambai. Yung sunaga USly choir music with doctorate tamdale. Yeah? Choir music with church music with doctorate sadle. You can learn. So music, it's very vast. Drum tamaiga, guitar tamaiga, whatever. But let's assume you want to study music, yeah? Which means you have to enroll in a music school. You have to enroll in a music school. There are so many music schools. Northeastly, Patkai Pamaitidle. Yang Patkai music school Pamaitidle. You can learn. No. So she said, Anikanina, they opened a music school in Imphal. Yeah? They opened a preview vocal tamjteira, akarabana guitar tamjteira. So they, per student, let's say music class, but it doesn't happen every day. It happens, let's say, once a week, every Saturday. Chili, every Saturday so 4 times, yeah? Chili 4 times the music fee is like 5,000 rupees. Mitra 50,000. As a music teacher, he's earning that. That's his career. Then on the music, you have to pursue music in a professional music school. Yo? My aim in life is to become a social worker. So in order to achieve this, which subject should I take? Good question. Social worker, like I said again, anybody can be a social worker. A politician can be a social worker, right? A youth leader can be a social worker. Professionally, you have to study Bachelors of Social Work. BSW. After your class 12, okay? BSW. Bachelors of Social Work. You can study Masters of Social Work. You can specialize in public health. You can specialize in this, in that. Yeah? So social worker in a profession, you have to study Bachelors of Social Work. You can be any profession and be a social worker. My aim in life is to become a footballer. What shall I do to achieve this dream? Footballer in Shanghai Binghiva. There's no one-stop solution. There are so many footballers who have become professional footballers through different ways. The most common is that England in a school national ko dong hi they go to football academy li waro football academy li atuna training sa mira chile da kathem bingji promote sa man academy we under 5 under 7 under 9 ka man laga they get promoted to the club then there's atum themai ka they become professional footballers khangatei li wa chikta academy ma clay pum li wa footballers bingi there are people who have become professional footballers through YouTube li our skill dong upload sa man yang our skill dribbling sa skill no shooting skill no control skill no technical skill dong video recording sa laga YouTube li upload sa laga club li chiho ka ba you skill yeng lo taga club na awi os thiam le trial horara trial in impress ai ka ba you become a footballer professional you sign a contract yung suna ka ba club in the Imphal dong laga trial hold la oh Bangalore FC ba trial hung le chiping li ba laga trial ba sara chili themai ka ba selection sa mangkui so at the end of the day na footballer sangai je ka ba you have to be disciplined you have to keep practicing because anytime anything can happen anytime akama ngalang the narrow caution na trial hold le je ka ba you have to go prepared how do you go prepared by always practicing yang discipline le laga na totally as a practice sangai ne as a party ba okay if you have those kind of discipline no chance you have to be disciplined okay I want to become a model and master chef whoa so what subject shall I take okay then the model sangai je ka ba you have to be well disciplined again yeah you have to make an effort you have to be out there master chef adang hangai re then the master chef sangai ka ba you have to learn you have to go to a culinary school professional master chef sagai je ka you have to go to a professional culinary school and learn all the techniques of cooking yeah you have to after your class 12 you can study hotel management specialize in culinary that's how you start become a master chef kajim ning la the kitchen na direct master chef na ge ji ka chu law yeah kitchen li azeng azeng shimung laga hok sang mung laga direct as master chef na kam apron sang lam sat paim nya you have to learn professionally in a very structured way daga class 12 ko bai laga hotel management watam ra chi culinary watam ra yeah then chi da degree ji da advance sang hai tam laga hotel li otsara hotel li sous chef and habokra chef kara phau ngai phawai ga you become a very popular chef that's how you become master chef question hang hem leifu mi ngam leifu leila ngan gi jika kapi
Thank you, sir, for giving me time to share my doubts and questions. I have a great desire to crack UPSC civil service exam, so I want to know more about this UPSC, whether it will be more appropriate to prepare after graduate or pursuing graduate. When will be the best time for me to prepare?
what are you studying now you're studying graduation BA first year okay Nana UPSC thangai je ka ba great if it comes from your own self there's no hard and fast rule there are so many people who write UPSC exam right after their graduation year they finish their masters and then write hiwa in the hisalo salog je in I can't say it is completely up to you year masters it's a waste of time that graduate ko sang khleo ngalang ta saw we jingwai ngir oi iwa like that ta mangai fu masters ta dam khela ka sa ge ka chi noi tung le re ka the thing is graduation ko khleo you can start your preparation yeah you can sign up for a IAS coaching center and write the exam or you can do on your own there are so many people who just coaching ma bala YouTube ta among coaching sa hu la ka thalang vai but majority wa coaching hui then IAS sage je ka imagine that just to give you a few statistics yang IAS sage je ka for exact figure ma dei ture let's say for 1000 seats jawlo there are 10 lakh people applying for UPSC. Je 10 lakh apply exactly, let's say 3 lakhs don't appear, 7 lakhs. Tada 7 lakhs apply exactly me shapanga sha chukta khuigi jini jitla. So the competition is tough, which means you have to work hard. If you are lazy, I have a lot of friends. One of my friends just cleared UPSC, but our interview result rightly. For 2 years, she didn't use her phone. For 2 years, she was away from social media. We didn't know where she was. We didn't know where she was staying. For 2 years, she was preparing. First year, I'm shocked to. Second attempt, I'm shocked to. So you need that kind of dedication. UPSC, but at the same time, I have so many friends. UPSC talaga, aming we tagzat. Sangay sa yauting have 24 hours, 2 hours talarik pa. Merakli pa, merakli 3 hours pa. Consistency mak, discipline mak lay. Jidai ka ba, UPSC pasa ke jika cholaw gijne. Pasa nag living jing no. In 24 hours, they just sleep for 6 hours. The rest of the time, they are studying. So you need to have the discipline. Then even after your graduation, you can start preparing. But in order to crack it, you need self-discipline. You need to be a hard worker. And UPSC is all about luck as well. Then we like a structure. He is subject, he is strength, but what I can say is, you have to be 100% dedicated. You have to like blank off everything that is in the world, and you just have to focus on your preparation. Only then will you be able to clear. Okay? Ka masters, graduate, no, itung later. Masters tambay after graduate sabay. Yeah? Mas macholay ra. Cholay la. Kupsang awas la. Mo kupsang chow lang cho. Tada question kani lang han kami gini thaga. Ngan ngay mi lay saka. Oh. Anaw lang pila full ming sakje. I am interested in cybersecurity, AI, artificial intelligence. What are the scope of opportunity in pursuing this line of study? Nana hili interest legawa. This is the future. Cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, data science, programming. This is the future in the world. This is where the money is. Okay? Lakpati, millionaire, this is where the money is. Okay? Kahiwa na, in the country, around Chat GPT, masya kashamzang Chat GPT, masya na Chat GPT masya. Everyone, it's the most interesting artificial intelligence app. Any question kangani ito nga ananghan ka migi. So we live in a world of artificial intelligence now. Nana hili interest le jay ka. Yeah? This is where the money is. This is where the future is. Ka. You have to science script lungra. Then art school like artificial intelligence ka chola rayam. Na ri klak khitam le. 12 thak hai science script la. Okay, chidai ka bhai. He will cyber security AI ning chang je ka bhai. He will line you will have to go engineering line. Na JEE thak bhai plan sa lela. Thai la. Okay. Chidai ka ba. Please have a seat. Hidai ka ba chiwa you're on the right track. Yeah? You're on the right track. JEE exam thai na pass engineering line. After engineering, you can start taking courses. Rion tamamanda. There are free AI courses online. Yang cyber security. Rion Coursera, lay online yang Udemy, Unacademy, free website for free courses. Even on YouTube, start researching on your own. AI we yang. You're on the right track. Na science with lungra, JEE thara engineering lines etc. You're all on the right track. Okay, then what are the opportunity? Oh, he opportunity ba mabat kachine. Then he would TMI cover opportunity after opportunity. Yeah, so continue pursue your in the same direction. Okay. Ilihai kamila. Wow. Thank you. I want to be an actor. What are the steps required? But I'm glad that you're asking. ai mak khek sia ai kibada nala ai mak khek sia hidak question han bungi ji le hi I want to be an actor, what are the steps required? Okay, normally ayar shongwa actor sangai ji bing here, they all go for acting classes. There are acting institutes. Yang everyone the India li paula ka Nasiruddin Shah gada Irfan Khan gada paula actor being they're all products of a acting school. I think there's an institute called National Drama School. Yang I forgot. You can go and learn. You can chithali walaga you can learn. Yang that's one way. That's a professional way of going about if you want to be an actor. But actingly, it's a very long process. You have to have patience because nobody becomes a success overnight. Yeah, you have to work. You must have read a lot of stories. Nimla, acting after 10, 20 years, they get a big break. So you need to have patience. Actors, like you can go for the institute. You can go for the training. If I'm not mistaken, Infalila acting with training institute, you can research on that. Yeah, you can go for that. Or if you are naturally inclined, if you want to start off by say, oh, you're tangkol acting, I think if I'm not mistaken, they have an audition call every now and then for the upcoming movies. Yeah, audition if you think you are naturally talented in acting, you practice. Acting is all about practice again. Practice masala. If you are too confident, you have to keep practicing. Yeah, the best is look into the mirror, practice. You practice like a audition. If you get selected, yeah, see you in hell. Sabay. Nana jili tangkol acting let's say tangkol acting din daw acting matao lo, nay pao lo. Tagawa nay pao let's say Manipuri acting, Manipuri film industry tao. They will say, oh no, we acting sa kayo recording videos, clip jitelo. NDA exam matara, jili pasa igawa na NDA li. Sipay training masaura. Same time, no we graduation tamanda. Graduate sa kaleo, you'll become I think an army captain. You can either choose to be an army or a navy or an air force. Yeah, NDA ko igawa. You start with captain, then he can major, colonel. You can retire in a very high-ranking position. Retire tayo ka ba no pension zaura, yeah? No pension zaura ka ring palagan optiaura, yeah? So this is NDA ning changay. Sipay sangay NDA thangay jeka ba you have a big future, okay? Don't worry about that. Cause science ko bring go 11, 12 li, okay? Iye sang nalam tuye yang, this natural sa re. Ina ro azu session sai ta tantum kana hui masambang, thay hui masambang. Okay. Any question, any doubt, feel free to ask. Feel free to ask. Okay. Feel free to reach out. The Instagram, Facebook, ask your questions. Feel free to reach out. Okay. Remember, I'm leaving the most important thing for the last. The most important thing for the last key. Natum na read mo karjan tra ka saire. If he sangaye, or he tiamaye, he nga sangaye, kita sara. Question answer me say. But the most important thing is rivali tape ra. Rivali ng chip ra. Resha ka sada. Yeah. In the healing ning the clay. In advice me the clay. In the okuti kui guy, ayale shok tam guy, or he sagay dong here. Not because of me. I am a nobody. Only because of God's grace. Rivali mga na. Isha yin ili sehasa kami. Nanui the clay tamay na. Isha na ibang sehasa kami. Yeah. Nganu ilenang ngathor ji da family worship ngazing ji da family worship I college Bangalore ta ga tamli I we zimik show maha program ka the first thing I do is ngathor thuira seha thuisara Bible chapter khani ga tumpa huira and I start my day jeng sna to na na hiliki za da na theology atam gi jide na pastor sa gi jide hangsere yeah but what I'm saying is I start my day I give my priority revival actually seha ga sa revival khangachi yeah he ga sai na in the research la hi in the Canada in tamji dek vai mi mali samada I sarra da samning la mne ka rivali khangachi rivali first ka hai wang na that from unexpected quarter rivana so mi laga rivana so mi laga yam ari in hi khangning I samang da klene Proverbs le hanga khyang le seek ye first the kingdom of God and yam oh no sorry the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom rivali ga thai itam ri thằng mày ngay lại thêm ngay the raser được này lại tầm ser được này kho khi nào mày thui rivali khang chi the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. Matthew likyang seek ye first the kingdom of God and all these things shall be added unto you. NDA sangai actor sangai la sangai his sangai master chef sangai sila salapai kan the rivali nga chi leo rivali take leo rivali first guys dan everything will be added unto you. Yang Jena itum hi Russia ka sada mam lai sai itum na sangai kra ka sa sala at the end of the day rivali khang chi hi it's a number one thing. Yang is a top priority. Jetum saikoru dong ai na katam na ser le yerong la ser le hi tam li rivali nga chi laga rivali thai laga yang itum like him talent tam hui ka no we like ka them tung li rivali nga thai ai ka ba no we saw come here double added unto you. Yeah. So thank you so much everyone for being so patient. For that na kami bang ning shinai ren tum question nang.
Yeah. Ari ishi with ja community sat like her special appearance Shonchon SPA. Ali welcome salu shitse. Hello, check.
Cool.
Ningshlaga Miss Jonjon Espili itumle atam atamle entertain sami khai jowang. Ara deep break kwise. Hello. Itum kishayla kumang shago mamanay ray jena hawok vai sa luyose. In direction and discussion hi atang la question han ngai bing lang hanay da malay lit lemay da shit sangay jena exhortation hi leose. Karisa da barmiso kusomo shi na rakwi mirno.
Hello? Không sao vậy đâu. Chiều rất là ít cái chuyện bật đèn. Anh là không tùy tâm liệu nàng rất sâu chứ rồi. In là không tùy tâm liệu không có busy sang rất được rồi. Tại là yêu tuyển đã là cái gì không có ở bài bọn thì feel ra không rồi. cho 아다민 바이 기도 아흐 애드보게이트 상하이 되게 맞지 기바래 기바다 itu my profession here one of the best profession I would say because it's a lifetime profession there is no retirement itu my retirement no mamde I arui government we advocate sada khidra government we case lấy được khởi tố in a represent sami được khởi rồi, chỉ secondary school we case lấy được khởi chỉ thôi, chưa case in sinh được khởi rồi, government we sao mò, chế đó nó chỉ school we case lấy được khởi chỉ in a represent sami gì rồi, chế đó police ping là mi tụ quy được chỉ tao we case gì rồi, tao in a sinh gì rồi, government any related cases in a handle sa gì rồi. Thế giờ là yêu retirement tay sao là yêu government cái什么事弄yêu retirement tay cái gì mà cái private and practice ung sa phải cái đó so there is no retirement in my profession giờ đây ang itu profession ni atang si speaker hàng này là very cái thế này important sao ko very một thế cái itu my profession hi ang pesarism report ko ang income là một thara cái profession ni chế đây là yêu professional mà mình cái tên ông thùng này hay là sau cái ninh sinh bình là ninh sinh anh nào khi rồi em là khang thở đó ít thùng mình lo cái tầm hi is one of the best profession I would say yang actor bình là à thùng mình nào là bình đi actor sang sao rồi nhưng mà muốn dùng acting sai phải sai income thôi mà chế nó advocate bình hi nó ao nào về nào là bình đi advocate sang rất chỉ kiểu anh thấy income thà chân rồi nó tụi mi case mới được nhận đấy, tụi ai đó court này là, case lấy được cái court này là, tụi mi advocate bên là cái PPA bao giờ pháp tao nào rồi, fee chứ, advocate fee, cho nên actor bên là actor vì nào là bên actor sang hàng giờ, ít tụi mi profession hi practice cái sao được sao được chứ đâu, nó đi climbing là nó đi không chịu thiang, tôi cho nên là 이런 노빙 이시를 팽나 에르페빙 이라 이나 유 프로페셔널이 닝상 거버 윤나로 다 인 항소네야 어라 유 노라빙이 에르게 차거버 송부 이나 삼탐이 복해더라 나오디 이 살아야 살러 어라 메 유 노라빙 에르게 차거버 계속 이래 야르빙 아래 이래 튀어모 에르게 범mer소 지지 니마 젠 이리라이 그 계사이가 아이 이시 나오리 뭐로 안 신고를 이나 왜 에시삼이 오르더래 hay ta đã chịu nhau thì ta đã chịu nữa đại cái automatic cái này nào miếng rồi chứ đó ở yêu nào là cái gì phao thiếu chứ đừng thao thiếu chứ được kia sinh cho nên very simple là yang low mình tâm lên là cái nào hàng miếng cái class 12 của bây giờ it's a 5 years yang chỉ có phao vào tầm đó low hết nữa là class 12 của bây giờ low mà tầm mấy cái after graduation low vào tầm rồi vậy chỉ after graduation mà tầm cái it's 3 years chúng tôi một tầm rồi chỉ của bây giờ chỉ LLB tầm nhưng mà chỉ LLB của bây giờ khi đi lawyer đã sang đây rồi anh lawyer hay advocate cái club difference thế cái trung gian thế sao rồi lawyer thì nó LLB group sang hai bing hiri lawyer go athuma court case missing by mnai athuma affidavit dramuk bi by mnai hamda politician ki jungja bing hi lawyer sir da athumi law group sar ga social worker sa thyo ga politician ra sa thyo athumi lawyer sir da ka athumi court case missing by advocate bing hi na LLB go berga All India Bar Council exam dak lefe chi exam je thara ga All India Bar Council exam na chi pasai ka certificate dak mi shokra na court practice sa pai da na chi practice sa pai da mi shok ji no enrollment number re no number chi sing ga na no practice ha bok pai hen ji ta ga na chi advocate ho hai no je na LLB go bai ga na politician raksa ra effective sa mai khala meaning lo the ga na effective sa mai ro effective sa mai ba ba ni ma je na politician sa ge jil na social worker sa ge jil na LLB go bai ga lo tam khwe ga lo tam no sa ga automatically na kya shi me ba ba na autumn tha mai kha sa mai ba ba a ga na LLB go bai ga awi branch chung la ge lo we heo na bengri ra law officer na pa mai bai bengri ra ot asai by any corporate sector company ra law officer hi lei phung ji ne jada it's highly demand profession ne jada ning sang bing na law hi ning sai no tam ka awi branch hi hakra ne khle ne jada LLB go bai ga it we the government way exam tharaga government way advocate sa thwe bai yang or nana judge sangai ga judge ndai bam ga order hima jang chi sangai ga Manipur Judicial Service exam da thara Manipur ga Delhi Judicial Service exam da thara na Manipur Judicial Service exam da yung so no chon clear sai ji sang khrew da judicial magistrate first class da chena hapogo raw je idu mi system hi kchung ja pham daram ne idu mi court usually court kya glem dai court kya glem ji one it's not one it's three yang there is three court yang riga kchung ja na munsif court there is no munsif court Yo mai thui je court ji khigre jiga judicial magistrate first class yang judicial magistrate first class hina criminal case singa judicial magistrate first class ne civil case singa civil jiga the yang criminal civil the yang criminal case singa ba judicial magistrate first class civil case singa ba civil judge junior division Jui next atung gaba na chief judicial magistrate to mshaira criminal case singa chief judicial magistrate to jui portfolio je khimine and civil case singa civil judge senior division da khimine yang jui atung ga me ba jina district judge to town hall nem le jina district judge to civil case singa district judge ho jine criminal case singa session judge da ho jine Itu me horzaktra in a criminal case singa in a police case singa assistant public prosecutor itu me public prosecutor da civil case singa criminal case singa itu me public prosecutor da civil case singa government advocate chidra da itu me legal profession he income ram tha sun ne in jen ma na ve ri mo thai gang na pesarism le thore yang advocate ping na fi khui da re mong san sam ne yang itu mas government we sai da itu ma fi mo khui ro you talop le o ni ma ga side income nam tha sun ne itu me side income ji khim rom thai itu ma legal paper ke ping mi affidavit ta ping mi it's not corruption right you like ping mi ndo ji you profession da imam na bank ni law officer na le Rega law officer being in the order come to them. I don't being your size, but in the Nintal line of way, to them. yang in a Delhi bom derga isida hono assistant professor kana itum fellowship khiga ira isum ra hang sone iktong ra izerving ra bengri ot masara gro yang bengri ot masara da i khiwain khang re ji thei sa ja general yung so no hi Punjab National Bank ni manager sar bom dre ara awe ot sa ji yang ga phap ta ji atumi 9 to 9:30 log in sara chip office samam gain pungya so mao 7:30 log ji ya so ot ji mang sam ji de i office pungya ri ga mao pung tra ri ga ai ga pung tra da ri ga ai ga paro ri ga ai ga case ma le go jugo case le go je tram ga ri ga yang case ma le go pung a ri ga ai ga khung ro pung khni ro ngai ngai ung yu ni khan ji jena beng we ot nu thi hectic sara ko iwe first gazing so na ga beng ni wa char ga a slight mistake atumi code number le sare atumi ka chaw we system jre ana system we code system ji ana miri an min thai ga ga we colleagues thai ga am thai dura our system we jena in terms of lakhs pesa shman ga na otpa ma na ga ta wa yang ari the hectic sara ga pesa meter sa we da na hen na mi sho khai na run jin da 제가 병력 상하이 빈지 무쭉 zakr 병리 오차르다 디션 크로 양 especially 라노빙 양 family 번에 메네 사지데 그가 붕제야 나나 오피스 바마이 그 나라 빙지 그 담로 양 it's a question 이 아주 카이네 자이더 역사다 마람르지네 그다다 프로미세다 마라르 민 파므르데 양 제가 legal profession 에 나 키가 태ngay 키 레가 안죠 UPSC 그 타라이 바지래 양 너나 LLB 더마이가 찬스스 다메 가르 LLB 제가 그 중자 델히 본다 그래 로 UPSC exam 타만 그 LLB 동회대 그가 LLB with subject 제가 로 기도 UPSC 와 타지 저 question lấy question lấy mà question lấy cái tổng hợp cái à du lịch ba lo tầm ngay khi ba judge sang ai khi ba advocate sang ai đó sang ai nào judge sang ai mày cả advocate sang ai mày advocate đang earning không đó vậy advocate pin làm tham mày khao đây judge pin bao nhiêu advocate nó earning mà tham mày khao no once you are successful no successful ra hiểu đó no khi ba cái gì rồi nó thấy hiểu đó à đó 회사 지금 산사 사오래 이는 산사 나오는 네 너 좀 꼬리만 졌네. 이제다 이는 시크릿 하고 내시 에로게 중이야. 이제는 망가야지 너. 나오던 시심 굴리라 롯 카메라들 어 콘놈 속라그노 꼬리를 그러면 양. 심굴리 무흥사오 클락시 무속라그노. 클리그다 쇼크사가 폴리스나라도 그거 찍다고야 그 폴리스나라도 그거 기가 콘속사가 멍지나로 양 advocate 빙 case 파이라 카이지 파이라 가는 굽상 바이 파이라 가는 벨라잉 쇼크 바이지로서 그래 낭스르고 why 근데 무슨 나오 미야르지 라크니 멍랑 그 제리상 오르고 멍란 미라 라크니 아니 보르니마 case 파이라는 벨라잉 쇼크 바이다 그랬나 좀 롬템 티모 응 지들지 롱데인데 애도게딩 심상 나오더게도 너지 왜 무사바임을 너지 왜 라칸이 먹는 그 너지 나와 제리상 오르 이거 아니 그래요 응 제가 나도가도 힉타 police 위케 쇼가 이거 인tum리 인다운 오빈지 항소네 시크릿 장 힉타 police 나도 퀘가 케스 속사가 any court any district 이tum이 다다 government advocate public prosecutor 들 레사래 아래 와서 통로 case chi simplify sarai na gup sami bai ana aja sami bai yang untung na direct na advocate ping ne ke sar ga khasang sa je ba unnecessary phesa tik ta won thum je je da mrgri client ping ne lum shan na ge phesa tik tik he da da ge je je da mrgri khui hing ying bai khui hing ye de khui ga ying bai je da once advocate ping na awe ming earn sa khui ga ji thran awe income tha sang ta ko yo chipa je je da Supreme Court judge ping ji khangjai na practice ka za hi 10 years practice sai ga automatically exam ma tha sal na Supreme Court judge or High Court judge sai ba sa ba ji dra jingkum thra practice sai ga na exam tha sal la High Court judge sai ba ga Supreme Court judge sai ba ji dra ka advocate khagai ping ba na judge sau da go ji thran ai judge sam ma jo why earning thau ma thum ba judge ping ba specific out our salary man da judge ping with salary around 2-3 lakhs ra and India we tulop chung thui ji judiciary ba si dai tulop chung thui da mi ji isi department ma si dra ta thuma Supreme Court judge ping 2-3 lakhs re or 4 lakhs ka re ke advocate ping na ka ta khri thai na earn sa ping je ba 10 lakhs ga re 20 lakhs ga re ga uf ji no ndum kido senior advocate ping we fee jin thum therang ji dai yang per appearance de yang ma dai edu mai per appearance no case ji nging mi ji da court re ha da kya da kang ning mi ji dra da ga no bang phet mi ji dra akshimang to chi ro punga haram ga mu ji phet committee senior advocate ping de charge kya sam ro 3-4 lakhs charge sa de ji ka phau kai ping ji na sak ka mang gang ning ga no bang tu mi ji 3-4 lakhs phi da he de ji just imagine Jena advocate ping phau khai ping nawi naw mia ra naw ping ni advocate cha khang sak ji ju bang endro hamna to jena itu mi profession ni ma tara ga profession ni ko how bok dam yang struggle sar ko struggle sar is you really need to work hard itu ma brain lum chan mi mangai na isa amai or isa advocate something ka itu exam thar ka tare na government wera sing na na jena mi nak then da ka private na practice sabing jin na ri yaru na thei ji atam jang la ge na mu thai ji jang jena last sa da lai ka tamar ko cho mo lem ga cho ning share ho yo
Thank you, sir. Your insight and perspective were truly valuable. Our second exhorter sada Solomon Raziamali at the midle.
Hello. Tata 0 hours le hita datum kimwan ni shie address le cham saluge atom se sa koi wang yes you amina Solomon Rajama hoye I hila ari sir warin tada scholarship sampung khuilaga tada le tam ku khui mi akhang sai khla anyway scholarship ki teu khang tai sai iwi hila ihi 2 years volunteers ase national youth volunteers sasaye jiwi eligibility ena ari India hili university akman le saye chili tamkhui paya ashina chekta felicity khimiyang jena chili ina entrance wathalaga mahilain pasap laga chili ina tamkhui sampange likewise achu care counseling yang hila master vatam rug jentanda ki course ke pa chu sa sikla ke chi he iwi ningle akla ta mli samane jana chili itumi senior aka ana ai hipai khilo da abana tiksa mi jila chuiwang tiksa laga chu course kim rao ari thumna hilisa dakle care counseling MA care counseling the India le institute mangjina care MA care counseling the master degree hit the middle ne logo chili tamkhui samphang ji chili chui subject court itum we professor pina chui lecture sata mama dalega as a counselor arka salaga itum hi thara ko chithara ko o chui ascensions of psychology he the rakata trangle imigli charla tamomang lagala tada e class li chang because it's really relevant in my background family background ikata the shokla guidance kya kham thakla kichui upon the ikla the relate sakla chunga chop bom yang jan ji mahala ga ni ji watam khuji ye tada ina track iwi mirinli take hui I may not be very productive towards the society, but I'm very productive towards my life, I should say. Yeah. Atam chaka mukhi kwai herabena hida hangai kachangka wa hiba hiva tada tangka o bunga ka kinili tada lecture salaga china ji kukup china nutumbi ka tong nutumbi confusion le dakli doubt le dakli je clear masami ramane trakle ka in a brief salaga nakshi Ariser, Kanina Hangai, we Chile, Tilmaker, supplement Sada, or the Poinaka Kini, Anina, the Kisakai, Mission Sangai. Itum here, Gary choose Kasatrangli. Itum here, choosing the right carer is a science, Kijini. Because me he itum he physically, Kunga Tatally, young, itum me physically, Saki Shopchilla, the Tatally. Kachikatava football team Nasara, Kachikataliva Kayongli team Sara, Kachikataliva Chikata activities liver, Upaimli Tamra, Marsh Parsasage, Kachikatava, Kachikatava, very interesting. Young likewise, itum we personality type hilang teng roke. Young itum we attitude, oh, itum we intelligent level hilang the area thing diddly young. Jenna. Itum pana remake up the ating hile IS official sangai banker sangai the handle yang everybody hibahim tadang nalo none anything any occupation none choose masarang laga none chisangai hitangai jihai ko remake up the no tere flow know yourself first no kata the nakla the take with certain factors you need to know yourself. You need to assess yourself. Know your personality, kichikata personality type klo, yeah. Know your interest, chikalit lakli klo. Know your potential level towards atung hili bankers aka tahang yang. Chiwijili for example bankers wijena example sauce, yang. Chiwijili ahi interest layer. Potential intelligent layer, interest layer, value of the job. He later young bankers here. Jenna, other itum naturally aptitude, young skills, ability later. Whereas your attitude, atung she avocado can kanta bankers pinji hita the jot koi ta koi chidle, young. Ku nana chiwijili no patient. Ponkini, for example, Pontra, Tradakini, Chisalala, no Vamba, no patient Jiva, can't shop the lake, you are the right person to. Yeah? No potential level liver, no height salak salala, no patient level, he low sana the lake, no attitude, he the bomb lager. Saki kiji miling hangi jenu wije ya peshimale ka do banker sa salago benira da clipinje chiwi knowledge ko tong le ga crowning ga lik wa mi thum ya wa ping mi tra ka ta makni ta da mang hang kham ra ko shin jilang handle jila jili peshimale la yo ya do tui jila raf sala ni si chandale ka ahi right person mani jila manim la. Right person should be in the right job. Right person in the right place to live. Right job li whole sa ka chiwi efficiency ka sahi ka pai mani mane. Yang wrong person in a wrong place li pom the laya ka wrong job chi sa the laya ka itum hi service la matha da mi ramara usually the crisis Monday, right? Jenna, before you choose anything, know yourself first. Jili, are in the factors hang ta hai the know interest mthada telo, know personality level mthada take salo, know potential level, value of the job, yeah. It me value of the job Jenna, merk lichi, you know. It me kuchungchana so crazy about our it something kapaya benefits job chi honas settle de, yeah. For example, our sashimli jumping, for example, only like sashimli what's an order, like a pizza to the queer, yeah. Our air hostess, the jobs ne. I to the Keram Tamnik Gajim Coachilla, yeah. The Kuchipajilla to the short term ne, our river. As long as to the Nui at the Tadlega, Nui Yampionship Lega, Jibaja Sapai, or Chewy, certain age, certain years duration limie Jenna anything before you step into any occupation research from Tada Salo Lega no we here regret misakafai now the occupation carson laga regret sound laga atung issue avocada kana kanta awin so not be he to laga net I have chosen the wrong occupation the benli otsadale yeah chit the regret misakafai itum here kesa say even nurse la chithai yeah, nurse, doctor, atung we responsibility roles, matada, mate quilla, carson papa gaida, yeah, Zhanghaina, nurse Kuchunkan, nurse we ought masala, Kangte ought sakata mitrakale, yeah, Jenna, he, matalagan itum he, kiga, asas sagizine, atung itum he, la sangaye, ke, tada, yeah, lava sangaina laga, tada, masaklen, or let's Chibaja Haisal Atung today to me singer Pinjose Chilila two type of singers lay de la Hampai Akapanava Talent de Laga Ali Chalak High young singer Akasalaga Chatpai Akapanava are we interested in Talent for Mimi la young Tada are we interested in Hunka Salaga artist neither gets a Kalaye Jenna itumpana akha kasala itum he matala gena iwi he interest in a interest ka talinkla gijila ka thelo yang itumi in interest in it to potential level kang ta ye alright tada atam hi ka ku toy da tada khum du ye ku to shi hangai ko ara hili in ak hangang we atung assessment itum hi chusum sarang ka nakla da assessment sausage ka tada auriva tada itum li area facility or resource tra khalere che ishi as a worrying lo le da yang jena ila ari equally student counseling service the show me da ye ari office na hamlikon NYK office chui Chili at the Chalaga, youth hostel, Sadaklene, Nutumna, Rangaika, Chilila, approach some better, Chili itumni, iwi service medically, hina, psychological counseling, young, Laga, number 2, care counseling. Care counseling, Chili itumbi, Che Auritum, Hilitele, Nakisangai, Kishoknai, Chika, Kuchungchan, Manghanga, the lemon, Nhanka, Pinjaka, Kinimanga, Manghanga, Pinjikatao. To me, lack of occupation information, career draining vatale. Jaina, to me, schooly or Kernopin or society hina. Chikata facility, Mimiras halala, Aruhon hiva, Mipina Kami, Mipina Kahan, Chimang Railu Gijine. At Aruhon it to stage liche, Atung Hilil Hangdalia, artificial intelligence, Chewy stage lipamdalia. Jaina, itumpana, Chisanga hit the Vangajika, we are the one we have to initiate, we have to step it out, and we have to do something different from the old version. Yeah, old system when it me Kashogi Gijine. Jen Chikata to the Paningui Kataya, Mihi Nung Sagijin, Jenna Kakutumali, psychological training or life skills training to Chi Midaglene, Lagachi Auri he it me college. school pinli tada collaboration laga o khu youth pinli collaboration laga tada sa zada klene jena hi 2019 li khi sa laga awrila tada ran sa tala ye jena itumi school we along ikru context live miracle live financial we issue la khara taw gi da hi katha kana la high facility la utilize msa khngai msa khra la le pa me jena achakom hi 2022 here are Kendra Vidya school the are center we CBSE school ne chili ili country basis na chili hoi da I assembly ka hen yang jena arila ikruli akli de Kendra Vidya school yang arila chili hodile mo vase ka payment chili mthau jena chili wau ge da wasangai ra ya private uri sa se ka payment je atum thadam mir 렉시발리 실라게 야 그 달라 he give and take 다다 뭐뭐 탕로 커버 obviously 다다 it me after all 다다 야 회사일라 들어가 사고이다 지위리라 양태엄네 service all the time 다다 free and mission lagay to me 잠먹 자다 양질람 사바임냐 all right so jena ari hi equally promote jena anytime office jilila ara ishi team leader ye jilila higata care assessment sangai kho higata ina hangkai nokla the remedy thelo jiwjili no matham the jiwi step jiwi process care planning kiji hi matham the ragi jine the ji singa khuye kho no you will never regret in future kho jiwi assessment mo khila na he profession he matai the worker sangai laga no arama chu nature of the job responsibility he va take jenda tada yang hanung ge jiga chui zingkum chui atom chi phaning laga nui mirin chi china tangawrla manimla jena we just live once mutada it me chui process li step jili mo karyong khwai it me mutada muchuk sai aru hon hi mai ka sabi tung likhle mane no I hi rim phak khui ge rim phanga ye nguso na wen ng te hang kai mi akhang sangai jika mai shalo mai ka sa je ka tyo ka logic sa no ya mai shalo jana da sa pa fa ge je kuin tom zang la ge ba je kham pa ni la it mi a chim pharai ge da pam ga no, that is not going to make you a brighter, future or successful person. Gee, he first line lipom laga the akli the sabam dakle here. That's not a good example. Uja sak ngai the evil the sashi goyo. Jena, gee, it to me arugoni nana kitar ka sakle gi nana phap ku gi ne. Mai hili kipana hello the kawam sangai hibai na was sangai jine to go no chilim pom gi jine you have to stand up you have to come forward and you have to say my hello ji gi jine ya my we no come to your place jiga my na awi mangali kara nana tarka sanda nana ba khu gi de nana sa khu gi de my na tarka samning ga ya my pa na chou ili utilize me gi jinda ya Jena it to me aru honi itumna ning ka sok ning ka approach sa ka thai kiji mi pina it to me success sa ki jin yang jena it to me ava vana uja pina ka han ma mang na lo atumna ma rang laga nana ki sarang nana ki sashab kiji hin nuwi nili tip sang ki jin yang ara class chi hi je atu ina akhange career ge jenava career ge ji na tum hi je kada da phaning klam them yang na hi ucha sangai ji ka class 10 pass sak vai vasalo class 10 pass um sala I lecturer sara da ha da ji ga tha nim phaning bai yang jen process le sere aching so wari ni na khan da scholarship da sang ga phang hi la process le sere eligibility masaka no exam thangai salam sa paim ne UPSC chila chipapam ne graduation pass um sala UPSC exam thara then ninga la ga ne ya graduation va pass um sa แล้วก็ UPSC exam ท่าเดสิจันเดลรีปอปสิ eligibility limit ท่าจูจลีเน eligibility มิท่าสัลละนู้น potential เจสักชอบจิมเลยคือมันสับเปลี่ยนเนี่ยเจน่ะอีทุ่มฮีขณะว่าสัตว์หังเข้าไปน่ะอีทุ่มฮีอาว่าจอมเสอาว่าฮีอดก็ใส่ขมือเดสัตว์คลีนี่ยังอีทุ่มงุนี่ละก็เอารีราชุงเดอิชาเวฮีลุยวะละก็กับปามนี่ละแต่เดทั้งกละมึงสัมภาระลุยวะชอนเดคลีนี่ but still อาทุ่มฮีอดก็สัก merge in the but still now even Arila, yeah, even now they are not rich. They are crave with the jam line kapon the Arila still they are poor. Arila jam ko kain bandak lene. The chika kata daratao. Say hinda. Itu mi ngechangka salala. No we evilly creativity himulaka. No. Nothing will be changed. Nahi chui hi thangsi ta khiasara. Jena think something different. Okay? Utilize the resources which is around you. Makhiaglo. Atung che hangai re yang mi yangai na itung wi apom katam no bi hi khang te ji. Ari atung la question halo hi thalo. Oh na khisangai jikhovo. 이tum bimba jenten다 한키야 키야가노 미안 bimba 지사라 히히히 어이 하 아시오지야 도다 기도 가메테 이트노 메리 즈사가 뿌링뿌링뿌링도 무섭나 저기 따베나 nga hangzila vaushogzila itisare chira idare 전 이tumbo confuse 그지 바우지 하미시 그지 바우지 마하미시다 그 휴이 야범 힐리바 ai mier kham tha la kham tha mang ai dia la ka question khang an pin le mo na shu li ra ram shong wi ka ka shung ji hi de la da ka chung ka wi mong kham mo nim la yang se a ting na khan ta da mai sha lo na na the rang na na sa gi ji wa ki gi ji he ka thring khang ji mo le la na han lo pha lo if there is a will, there is a way. How do home for financial is not a problem now. No. He sang I belong he tang source it the pakui by our rich ishi arkel wishongena. He tada not only avavana he got program sponsor masami resalala atum na samitale. Jena. Nutum he aurila today he went shokana he got care counseling watsangare oh I'm done you mirin the care counseling here watsang kind of issue better michilo no kaching cut no color talent scan is sang laga take wing I jiko sir aurila the colibinjile talagan approach salaga atumwi kasaga amanchi kushok laga kushong sak laga oh no kushok laga approach vasalo laga chui counseling section je personal nam thalain vasalo kichi hi ta suggest laga tangawe atung phi van share ko
Nish lagai raise Sir Solomon nam thalai nak satsang mikhai kla dam jithai mikhai jiwang. Let's lighten up our mood. Please welcome Miss Chonchon SP once again.
Hello.
sống yang ra tuy mang hang ai
Lagay Miss Chonchon SPD. Our vote of thanks with Vice President Argil na atamra kwimirno.
Rela gina razang khaya gatam nawbing kala resource person sami khaya exorder sami khaya ojang rabing nazumli ishi argil wishongena ning shi ga jang khathai re ring pha ga jang khathai re ki ji hangai chimang ma ji la ithum ri as sound system mena sing mi da khlai kala dd ba shi li la ning shi ga chung khami chimang ma ji la ithum li pouring ma sa khawai da miss Chonchon SP na la sa gina la sami khai kala chimang ma ji la arui ithum li program hi li rum law la ga na than mi khai miss lemso khleng li la ning shi ga chung khami da le he thought a career counseling ga sa hi li one day career counseling ga sa hi li shuru khumi ser khaya ithum psychology argear we ring pha ning shi ga chung khami da le kadam naw bing argear ba shi rin ning shi mi ji re khiwang le ga nu thum we wang argear ne ta tang ran mi la ga argear ne hi initiative khumi la ga nu thum we mi rin we wang da sami da khle hi li nu thum na argear executive kala awi president issue somi pam na than ga executive ping we wang pang la ga nak shi da pang phi mis ne ning shi shi ai re dai la ga ne az hi da the program hi argear na sem la ga ung shung khung sa ga hi ga kai ga dek ma le lak la ung shung khung sa ga Krista Brazili ning shi shi hai re ji hang la ga hi na tang o ni shi
Nishlagay Vice President Argeli. Now we have come to the end of the program. Thank you all for joining today. We hope you had a great time. Ari Kangjang se aye rewardee Sasa General Secretary Argel na Samiruna.
Saya sase. Rekomendaya kesakwa Vivra. Kecing ramli nana kapning cita ada oktuli le sokrano. Aja tangkul li ramli leda klei kini thot kecung ka kesakwa Vivra. Apam hili rada. Itu mui disud mi bingna. Mirin chongca kita ada lumshan leisda kusang milo itum bro Jesu Kristo wi mga aina. Amen.
Ari itum na shai khai mui we cover kala bottles binji kadam nausir ne je ne ija na big sa khui laga dustbin ni wasang milog je he ge chat sat le